In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add washi tape and placeholder stickies in FigJam. By the end, you'll know exactly where the washi tape tool lives and how to place clean, readable visual dividers that make room for the sticky notes you'll add later. Start on your FigJam board and look toward the bottom toolbar. Find the marker icon. That icon opens up the creative tools you'll use to draw and decorate your canvas. It's where FigJam keeps quick access goodies for sketching, highlighting, and, of course, washi tape. Taking a second to hover over the icons helps you confirm you've got the right one before you click, so you know you're in the right spot. Once that panel is open, click the washi tape icon. Think of washi tape as a lightweight strip you can stretch across the canvas to guide attention and define boundaries. Now, click and drag on the canvas to lay down your first piece of tape. Start where you want the strip to begin. Pull your cursor toward where you want it to end and release to drop it into place. As you drag, you'll see the tape stretch and angle in real time, which makes it easy to preview the exact length and direction before you let go. Keep your motion smooth and deliberate so the tape reads as intentional and clean. Use this tape to mark sections, label lanes, or underline key areas you'll return to. It's especially handy for setting up spaces where placeholder stickies will live later. For example, you can run a horizontal strip to separate a brainstorming area from action items, or create a vertical lane to hold ideas that need prioritization. By laying these strips first, you give your team a clear visual structure that naturally invites stickies to land in the right places when you're ready. If you're building a larger framework, repeat the same action to add more strips. Keeping consistent angles and spacing helps your layout feel tidy and professional. Zooming the canvas in or out can make placement feel more precise. And panning the board before you drag ensures you're starting your tape exactly where you intend. That's it. You select the marker icon on the bottom toolbar, choose the washi tape tool, and drag to create your tape. With these simple moves, you've set up a board that's ready for placeholder stickies to be added using your usual sticky note workflow. Use the tape as your visual scaffolding, and your future sticky notes will drop into a layout that already makes sense.